Are you looking for an awesome security device that you can take with you on the go for your hotel stays, maybe use in your dorm room? Today we're going to be checking out the best security device we could find under $10 that offers maximum protection and will scare away just about any intruder. Rob here from Spy Gear 101, and today we're going to be looking at the Sabre door alarm. Hey guys, I'm going to be including information in the description below about where you can pick this up if you're interested in it. Like I said, it's usually under $10. The device runs on a single 9-volt battery and it doesn't come with one, so make sure you pick one up. It'll also fit into the outside of any suitcase, making it very convenient for travel. You could also easily fit it into any toiletry bag. This thing is super loud. I'm wearing some hearing protection right now to set it off. It's very difficult to demonstrate to you guys just how loud it is, but trust me when I tell you this, it's really loud. So basically, it's a really simple device to use. All you need to do is you put it in front of any door. It's got some padding here on the bottom that keeps it from dragging along the bottom if somebody were to push the door open. You just turn the device on and let it sit right next to the door here. I got a little bit of a gap. And then if somebody were to breach this door, this is what's going to happen. Really prevents somebody from opening the door, number one. Obviously, you could get past this if you really wanted to. Here it is on a standard residential door with a wood floor. Just turn it on to activate it. So on a wood floor, we're getting a little bit of a slide to it. Still works, but it's sliding a little bit. Your average intruder is going to open that door, hear that alarm, and take off. At worst, it's going to wake you up while you're sleeping. Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on security devices. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be giving away some of these devices as well as some cameras to my subscribers. Hit the subscribe button and or the like button.